So some of the other stuff we've been working on in our Moffat Beach project, just while we've been waiting, getting all our fixings done and waiting for our CO2 panels to show up, is starting to do some of the landscaping works in the backyard. So the boys have done a cracking job down the back here. We've had to deal with a lot of overland flow, like the water just does not stop flowing out of this bank behind our wall here. So the boys have done a cracking job. We've also been dealing with the rain while trying to do this. So every day was pumping water out, digging sump holes, like just absolute mission to get it done. And as usual, they've smashed out of the ballpark. So we've got all this heel and toe footing done around the backyard here. We've actually got this curved wall. So we've got a curved block wall going around the backyard, something different, a bit of a feature. And then you'll see behind me here, the boys have propped up, we've core drilled holes through the blocks before we core filled it, and we've slid in all this galvanized tubing. That is actually going to become the foundation or the bracket for a floating cantilevered timber seat. So we'll put timber framing around those bars, and then we'll line that with timber decking, and the bench seat will actually be hanging out of the block wall around this curved retaining wall, which is going to look absolutely sensational. So block layers, as usual, done a fantastic job. We've gone with the nickel split face block here just to have something different. The boys are now currently working on the waterproofing, so we can get all our ag line in behind this wall, we can get all our drainage in, and that way that'll get rid of all that groundwater that keeps coming in behind it, and that's all going to be hooked up to our stormwater system. So the other reason that we've continued doing this work out the back here, we've actually got a machine coming in tomorrow, going to tidy this whole backyard up. And then we're going to bring in some compactable road base, and we're basically going to put 150 to 200 mil of road base over this entire area, and that's going to become the platform or the foundation for us to park our crane in the backyard here, so we can install half the house and all the CO2 panels from down here. So yeah, boys are flying along, doing a cracking job, dealing with all the wet weather, dealing with the groundwater, and everything's coming together.